In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A73, and today I would like to show you where you can locate all typing features available on this device. First of all, go into Settings and scroll all the way down. Then access General Management. Now click on Samsung Keyboard Settings. And as you can see, smart typing options are available over here. You can manage them by tapping on the switches next to the chosen ones, or tapping on the best one for you and clicking on the switcher in it. When you're ready, you can also scroll down, tap on more typing options, and manage all of them the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!